Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be organizing all of my linen for my tablescapes. So let's get started, guys. So organizing and folding and doing all of these things is not something I love to do, it's something I have to do. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'm going to see you at the end of the video after we get all this organized, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so always remember to head on over to the community tab so that you can see what collaborations I host on this channel. Now, on Sundays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I host quick and easy meals. Quick and easy meals, I mean, you can pretty much make anything that you want. I do have, or I'm incorporating a special edition every month. So that is the only time that we'll be working with that item. And it's fun. It's just so much fun. So if you're interested in joining that cooking collaboration, I would love to have you. My information is linked in the description box. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so on Mondays, the first Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have the once a month home cleaning motivation. And you can go on as long as you want, up to an hour, and clean anything that you want. And so this is an absolutely great collaboration. It is a deep cleaning collaboration. You can clean anything and upload your video, and I will add it to the playlist. Remember, the first Monday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so every other Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, like the month of October would be the 7th, October 7th, and October 21st, I host a foodie grocery haul. So the foodie grocery haul, you can either go and do a shop with me and then show your haul, or you can just go ahead and show your food haul or your food online pickup, whatever it is, whether it's a pickup or whether it's an online order. It doesn't matter what it is, guys. We just ask that you show the haul. Now, we have been showing the amounts that we spend because in different places we're spending either more money or less money. So that's kind of interesting to find out. I cannot wait to have you guys make sure and contact me if you're interested in hosting or co-hosting down below in the description box. I'll see you at the end. Okay, so this portion of what I needed to do is already organized and folded, and I am happy. In this particular area right here, I have a lot of crafting stuff, but I also have a lot of tablescape stuff, which now is organized in its closet, and I'm so happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.